Transform your space in inspiring TV wall designs. Welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are dividing into the world of TV wall design. Your TV wall is not just functional space, it is an opportunity to showcase your style and personality while creating a focal point in your room. From minimalist elegance to bold statement, there's a TV wall designed to suit every taste and space. Let's explore some inspiring ideas to transform your space. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel IT Addiction. So if you like these ideas, like the video and click the subscribers button for latest more interested videos. For those who prefer clean lines and simplify, a minimalist TV wall designs is a way to go up for sleek wall-mounted TV with a simple profile. Surrounding with a floating shelf or single shelf for display decorative items for media components. Choose a natural color palette and keep accessories to a minimum for a sophisticated look that does not overwhelm the space. Make a bold statement with your TV wall by crafting or catching elements like textured wallpaper, geometrical patterns, or chromatic color frame you with a gallery wall featuring artwork of photographs and add visually interested and personality. So if you like these ideas, like the video and click the subscribers button for latest more interested videos. And this video share to your friends. LED scripts and highlight the focal point and create ambience. Maximize storage and display space by crafting built-in shelving around your TV. Custom built shelves can seamlessly blend into the wall, creating a cohesive and polished look. Mix and match open shelves with closed cabinets to accommodate media equipment, books, and decorative accessories. Experiment with the different materials like wood, metal, or glass to add texture and dimension to design. Create a cozy and intimate setting with a reset TV niche. This TV into the wall to create a seamless and streamlined look. Surrounding the TV with a built-in shelving of a fireplace for added warmth and functionality. Now crafting or hidden lighting or cable management solution to keep the space clutter free. Make the most of your TV wall by crafting multifunctional elements. Consider a wall-mounted TV console with the integrated store by media equipment and accessories. Now craft a fold-down desk and worship space and added versatility. Add built-in seating or window bench for additional seating to storage options. This design's approach maximizes space efficiency while maintaining a cohesive aesthetics. Bring the outdoors in with a nature-inspired TV wall design. Craft elements like reclaimed wood paneling, stones, accents, and greenery to create a scene of tranquility and harmony. Choose earthy tones and organic textures to evoke a natural vibe. Consider installing a vertical garden or living wall for a unique and refreshing touch. So if you are new here, kindly subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Also like this video, and this video share to your friends and family members. Embrace the latest technology with a high-tech TV wall design, crafting features like motorized TV lifts, hidden eye speakers, integrated smart home automation systems, conceal wires and cables with an-wall cable management solution for a clean and polished look. Crafting touch screen displays or indicative media wall for an immersive entertainment experience. So if you are new here, please like the video and click the subscribe and press the bell icon. And this video share to your friends and see all about videos about home decor and garden. Visit my channel and see videos. Your TV wall is more than just a place to mount your television. It's an opportunity to express your style and enhance your living space. Whether you prefer minimalist legends, bold statement, or TV safe solution, there are TV wall designed to suit your taste and lifestyle. Get create, experiment with the different ideas and transform your space into stylish and functional. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye bye. Forget to subscribe for more design and inspiration. Thank you for watching. Bye. Subscribe to our channel.